Welcome friends, this is Professor Kadir. Today we will see the problem on skew lines. So as per printed over here, CD and AB, these are the two lines and they are skew. And we have to measure or we have to find out the true angle between these two, AB and CD. So to start with this, in this two view, front view and top view, neither AB nor CD they are showing true length. So we have to find out the true length of both. So we'll solve this problem by auxiliary plane method. So let us draw one line x1 y1 parallel to CHTH. Take the projection of all 4 points perpendicular to x1 y1. And now we are going to draw the auxiliary view. So measure the distances of CF and DF in the front view and cut it on their respective projector. We will get C1 D1. Joining C1 D1 we will get true length of line CD. Similarly, measure the distances of BF and CF and cut their respective projectors. We will get line A1 B1. Remember, A1 B1 is not going to show the true length. Now further extend this C1 D1 line and draw perpendicular to it. We will get x2 y2. Now if I draw perpendicular to C1 D1, we will get one more auxiliary view of C1 line, CD line, and here in this auxiliary view we can see the point view of this line CD. So let us draw point view of line CD. Measure the distances of CH from x1 y1 and cut it. Here we will get C2 D2. Now this is the point view of line CD. Similarly, take the projectors of another line A1 B1 and measure their respective distances from x1 y1. Cut these distances from x2 y2 on their respective projectors. We will get respectively A2 and B2. Joining these two points A2 B2, we will get line AB. Now remember, x2 y2 is not drawn parallel to A1 B1. So here A2 B2 is not the true length. It means that we have to find out true length of A2 B2 now. Now to find out true length, draw parallel to A2 B2, that is x3 y3. Take their projectors. Now to draw the true length in this auxiliary view, now measure the distances. Measure these distances from x2 y2, remember. Now cut their projectors, respective projectors in the auxiliary view. We will get the next view of line AB, that is A3 B3. Joining A3 B3 we will get true length. In the similar way, measure the distances of C1 and D1 from x2 y2 and cut it from x3 y3. We will get C3 D3. And remember, as we are measuring distances perpendicular to x2 y2 of points C1 and D1, this true length is going to be printed as it is here in this auxiliary view. So it means that both lines are showing true length here. So measure the true angle between them. Now this is the true angle between these two lines AB and CD. So this is how we can find out the true angle. You can find out the true distances between these two lines. Now this true distance will be the distance between the point view of one line, let us say point view of CD, and another line AB. So this perpendicular distance will be the shortest distance between line CD and AB. So this is how we can solve the problems on skew lines. Thank you very much for your patience listening.